Hi guys, welcome to The Future Is Now. In case you're probably thinking of going on an outdoor trip anytime soon, well, lucky you. This video promises to show you 8 next-level camping gears you can get on Amazon that will take your next trip experience from 0 to 100. Aren't you eager to learn about these gadgets? Sure, let's dive right into the video, but ensure to stick to the end. LiONCooler Mini. Well known for developing smart off-grid and portable power solutions, EcoPower has just introduced its LiONCooler Mini to offer general temperature maintenance for food and beverages. The LiONCooler Mini is a 3-in-1 mini refrigerator freezer compatible with your car, van, or truck to keep your drinks or food at an icy temperature. LiON Mini is integrated with a built-in battery and cordless design, making it the best companion for outdoor living or outings to the beach, camp trips, or more. The multifunctional battery was designed to serve other purposes like charging your smartphones, laptops, or drone. You can remove the battery from the cooler and transform it into a more portable power bank. The battery offers you 12 hours of uninterrupted refrigeration. You can recharge the cooler in 3 ways: by connecting to your vehicle power socket, through a wall outlet, or by using the EcoPower solar panel. The magnetic cover reveals a deep cup or bottle holder that tightly holds the cups without spilling or tripping over. An LCD display provides the real-time temperature of the cooler, plus you can easily adjust the temperature anytime on the display or with one simple click on the mobile app. Sparkr Camp Grill. Sparkr Camp Grill by Eureka is also an ultimate camping gear, as it features a compact but highly functional design for your next outdoor adventures. Their camp grill has an all-in-one design setup for versatile grilling purposes with precise temperature controls and an easy-to-clean ceramic grate. Compared to other camp grills that use propane, Sparkr runs on butane with its integrated fuel compartment that fits 8 ounces of butane canister. It's never been easier to get that perfect grill sear right at the campsite. It requires no extra attachment. Just snap in your fuel and you're ready to go. It has auto ignition, making it easy to light up the grill as soon as possible. Despite its portable structure, the camp grill packs plenty of power. A 120 square inch grilling surface provides enough room to allow you to grill your meal at a time. The removable grate is also made of non-stick ceramic, which prevents food from sticking to it and makes it easy to clean after use. You can remove the drip tray for proper cleaning and adjust the feet to the level you want. Sparkr Camp Grill will cost you $121.45. BioLite KettlePot. I guess you trust BioLite to always bring off-grid personal scale energy products for cooking, charging, and lighting to the market. The BioLite KettlePot is one of their creative camping gadgets created a few years back to be a perfect fit for outdoor living. The KettlePot pours like a kettle and cooks like a pot. With its 1.5-liter cooking pot and unique pouring top, you can easily prepare your outdoor meals, and it doubles as a carry case for the BioLite Camp Stove. The top is made from high-temp, BPA-free plastic, silicone seal for a secure fit, and vertical cool touch handles for easy pour and firm grip. It also features an ultra-thin stainless steel body, a nested serving bowl for eating, and a heat shield that protects flames from wind and concentrates heat for faster cooking. Priced at $37.46, the stainless body is safe for food and easy to clean. Crua HoverChair. Crua Outdoors has a wide range of outdoor tents and hammocks, but this product is the bomb. Not the explosive, I mean the best. HoverChair is a hanging model with a mesh back that does not interfere with the free circulation of air inside it. The design involves the presence of a soft inflatable seat and a separately sold hanging footrest. You can enjoy maximum comfort resting your back, body, and feet. Most of the conventional folding chairs in the market are equipped with a beverage rack and an armrest. Still, HoverChair was mounted with 4 pockets to keep valuable things such as glasses, smartphones, tablets, water bottles, chips, and many more. HoverChair has an upper mount for hanging on a tree branch or any other support of your choice, and 4 straps, which are solid polyester tapes, come down to support the frame. The fastening system ensures that the HoverChair can withstand a load of 125 kilograms, while the chair itself weighs only 1.8 kilograms. HoverChair costs $49.99. Aiper Flash. The main aim of the Aiper Flash 150 watts portable power station is to help solve mobile charging and power problems by offering a compact configuration with an onboard AC inverter coupled with all the plug options you're likely to need. Mounted with 8 charging ports, it charges phones, computers, batteries, and drones, and many other gadgets. To fulfill your home power emergencies, the Flash 150 watt is perfect for you when the power is out or for other emergency purposes. And if you're an outdoors enthusiast or a traveler, the Flash 150 watt is compact and lightweight enough for you to take with you anywhere. To charge the device, plug it into a wall charger, with your car-mounted charger, or with its solar panel. The Aiper Flash 150 watts is also equipped with an LCD display that shows you the status of each port so that you know exactly what you can use and rely on to ensure efficient charging of your devices. The case was designed with high-level fireproof material and is water-resistant with an IPX4 standard. EST Gear Survival Shovel. The EST shovel is a multi-tool by EST Gear designed to be lightweight and for versatile use. The compact size of the shovel comes with a survival axe, saw, knife, hunting spear, bottle opener, wire cutter, how, trowel, nail puller, ruler, hook, whistle, compass, and many more. All of these features fit easily inside the durable, packable ripstop nylon pouch. When you need to use a particular tool, it's extremely easy to lock in the necessary tool within seconds. Made with heat-treated, high-quality solid carbon steel and aerospace-grade aluminum, the shovel has very impressive strength and durability. Wherever you're going for your next adventure, pick up the EST shovel to get you ready for any task or emergency that comes your way. Priced at $119.99, EST shovel and the pouch weigh just 3 pounds. Sparkr Flip and Sparkr Wick are the new way to go about flexible, reliable, safe, and comfortable lighting up. The Flip follows the form of a traditional lighter but differs with the 2 power buttons mounted on the top and bottom of the lighter for easily lighting up from any direction or angle. The second power button on the bottom of the Flip is to have a perfect pipe lighter and more. Utilizing the latest plasma tech, the Flip lights up whatever you want instantly with windproof, flameless sparks. Even looking at these multi-purpose lighters, they give a modern and sophisticated vibe with their extremely lightweight, soft-touch case. The Flip charges in less than 1 hour and keeps your sparking for hundreds of uses. Windproof, USB rechargeable electric lighters that give you the flexibility to light up anything, anywhere, in any direction. The Sparkr Wick has an extended 6-inch neck that will have you comfortably reach into hard-to-reach candles, barbecues, and more. Sparkr Wick and Sparkr Flip cost $29.99. BioLite HeadLamp 750. Here is another great innovative product from BioLite, the BioLite HeadLamp 750, an ultra-bright 750 lumen rechargeable headlamp designed to help you with your activities. The headlamp features 8 modes: the dimmable red, white, strobe, and burst mode, and a dimmable rear red visibility light with solid and strobe. With the 3D slim fit construction, the headlamp integrates electronics directly into the band for a comfortable and firm wear experience with no bounce or slip. The 750 headlamp maintains constant illumination, so you tend to get a stable light intensity, unlike other headlamps that auto-regulates lumens to conserve battery and quietly dim over time. This lamp doesn't dim unless you want it to. Its 3000 mAh LiON battery, which charges via micro USB, lasts up to 150 hours on low intensity, 7 hours on high, and 8 hours in reserve mode. Even while packing the Headlamp 750, you can use the 3-foot cord to connect to a power bank in a vest or pack to start pass-through charging, and you can continue on your smooth journey. Priced at $74.96, the Headlamp 750 was designed not to get in your way.